Hello? Yes, hi. Yes, I got the new phone. Yes, of course I'm gonna show them. Of course. Yeah, don't worry about it. Yeah, I will show them. Yes, I will show them the brand new phone. Yes. So I will show up the video. You know, I'm filming the video right now. So let me just finish this video. I'm showing them how to do like a keycap. What's that? Yeah, it's one of those things you put on a keyboard. Wait a minute. What? You're breaking up. Yeah, I gotta go. Bye. Hello, you guys. My name is Marco. Welcome to my channel. You know, a good sub will be appreciated. So on this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make DIY custom keycaps. So so grab your coffee or your drink, which I need a refill. And let's just get to it. I remade my coffee, which is pretty good. So we're gonna talk about the things you're gonna need. First of all, you're gonna need keycaps. That's what you're gonna need. I bought this brand new keyboard, and then I bought these round keycaps that are black. They look like this. I don't know if you can see that. They look pretty damn cool. And then I have these white ones laying around, and these are the ones I'm gonna be using. Now here's the thing. The other thing you're gonna need is this clay. This one's called fake mold clay. I bought this at Michael's for like around $2.50 or close to $3. This is how it looks like. It looks like this, and this is what we're gonna use to put it on top of the keycap to make the design, the custom keycaps. Now, here's the thing. If you're gonna be making a block of cheese, I recommend getting the yellow one. Makes sense. Anything you're gonna be doing, I recommend getting the one that color so you don't have to paint them. Now, here's the thing. I am gonna be painting it, so you can do that, and then at the end, just once it gets done, you can put some Mod Podge on it, clear code, and it'll be good. So there's that. But here's the thing. Putting this right here is one thing, but in order for it to get dry, to get hard, to be usable, we want to bake it. Now, in order to bake this, you need a special type of keycap. Now, the keycaps that you're going to need is PBT. Those keycaps have a high temperature melting point, meaning that this one will withstand a little bit more heat without it being melted. ABS is different. That one will melt a lot quicker. You know, so if you don't know if your keycap, it's not like if it's ABS or PBT, one thing you could do is you could get your oven or mini oven or whatever, and you can put tinfoil on it, and then get your keycap, put it there, and just put it for 200 degrees and for 30 minutes. That's it. And see if it melted. And if it melted, that means it's ABS. Or if it really warped and stuff like that. But if it didn't, just warped a little bit, then it is PBT. And that's what we're going to be doing. So let's begin with this customization. Have the top down shot, because why not, right? So right here is the keycap I'm going to be using. It looks like this. Now here's the thing. If you do want this keycap to like light up, like to be RGB, one of the things you need to do is kind of sand this top area right here. I don't know if you can see that. This area that's right here, you will need to sand that. But when you sand it, the problem is that when you start making your custom keycaps, you need to make sure that it's able to light up and illuminate, and it's going to be much more difficult. So there's that. So here's the thing. I'm gonna be getting a small little piece of this, and by the way, the thing I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be making a pumpkin. So I'm gonna be getting a piece of this, just like that, and I'm gonna go ahead and make it like into like a round little ball. Kind of like this, and I just want to kind of like see how this will look like, you know. And one of the things I want to do is I do want to get another bit of this so I can have it in there, and then it could be like the ground or something, you know, kind of like this. and then squishing this thing down. I'm gonna put this right here, just like that. Put this one on top of it, just like that. Now here's the thing, if for some reason your keycap or whatever, it's really hard, one of the things you can do is get a cup of water and then add use a brush and kind of like just dabbing a little bit and then kind of start putting into it, and then it's gonna loosen up a little bit. You can put it on the entire thing, and then yeah. I'm gonna make this kind of blend in with this, so I'm gonna push it down. Now, one of the other things you can do, whatever keycap design you're making, if you want to do flat, you can always use something like this. It looks pretty damn cool. You can always flatten those areas out. So I think that looks pretty cool. Now this one, I bought it with a pack of of brushes, and it was fairly cheap at Walmart. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this, which is a paper clip. And with this paper clip, I wanna start making the lines of the pumpkin. So right now the lighting is a bit different because it's already late. I mean, no, the clouds, decided to come on in. But yeah, I finished it. It looks like this. I'm gonna show you guys some close-up shots. Looks pretty cool. I really do enjoy this. I wish I could have done it. I don't know, like I like it though, and the way I did it, I thought it was really, really great. I wish like the bottom I would make it a little bit better because I don't have black. Like I do have this color black, but this one it's not necessarily black. It's kind of like a grayish, dark grayish color. There's that, and plus the paint that I used was these ones Craft Smart. These are really cheap, and I know these are not great for blending and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna put like Mosh Pot on it, and that should take care of that. So there's that, and then also one of the things I did is that to these the face on it, the smiley face, is I was using some toothpick, because that was the only thing I had that can actually fit into that small little space. So I painted that with black. I used this one, which was ink black. So there's that. I did that, and then also these lines that right here that basically are the ones that kind of pumpkin. I wanted to like emphasize those lines, so I also use a little bit of that black, mixed brown, and I feel like it came out really good. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on my keyboard so you guys can see how it looks like. Okay, so I got my keyboard. It looks like this. The escape key is the one that's gonna be taking the pumpkin's place. So that's how it's gonna be. So there's that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. And by the way, I haven't put this thing in here, test it out. I'm just gonna do that right now. There we go. Oh my god, it actually barely fits. It's great because once you click on it like this, it does stick out a little bit, as you guys can see, but that's just due to be expected. But it looks really cool. You can type it in, but it's actually really like it doesn't interfere with number 1 or the tab key. Like, it's great. You do feel like a little worm inside there, which is really weird, but it looks nice. I like it. I really do. What things would I would have done to make this a little bit better? First of all, the angle of it, I'll probably make it so it could be a little bit angular, so it can look like it's facing me. That is one thing I will do, because I'll be right here and I'll be like that. So that'll be pretty cool. Also, the other thing that I also wanted to do originally, I was going to make the companion cube, and I wanted the heart of the companion cube to light up because this is an RGB keyboard, but I couldn't figure out a way to actually make a small little stamp of a heart that small to do that. So that one was going to be very difficult. So, and also, like, if I would have actually made a companion cube, first of all, I will need to make it as small and probably use what's called a toothpick. There's that. Overall, this project was fun, was an idea that I had, and I'm hopefully able to do more. I'm probably going to do the companion cube. I wanted to light up like the heart in the companion cube, but that's going to be very difficult, and I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. If I'm able to figure out how to do that, I will make a video about it, but if I can't, then I won't, and I would just recommend you just buying it, because you can buy a 3D printed keycap that is clear. But I am happy right now. I really do like it, man. And it's pretty cool because, now it's time to fill up these other ones and figure out what other keycap am I going to do. By the way, I'm not a professional, and I'm not like a person that makes a whole bunch of keycaps. I just saw a whole bunch of videos that you can make them out of like clay, and I thought that was really interesting. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and a sub will probably be appreciated. Bye.